You going to Brimstone?
Close enough, I suppose. The express road passes about a mile outside of town.
Well, I gotta get to the governor so he can call out the troops. There's trouble heading from down south.
Well, climb on back, soldier. Looks like we got company. Sure you weren't being followed?
What kind of fool hauls a wagon full of TNT through bandit country?
Down! Ow! All those General Diego's, man. I hope you're a good shot.
I think I was safer in that cell.
We've got a ways to go yet. I hope we can make it to the canyons.
Can't you go any faster?
Left, right. You think the next batch will come from the left again? Oh, looks like I was wrong. Now they're coming from both sides.
TNT. Why couldn't it be bacon and beans?
If they keep coming like this, we may not make it.
Sorry I got you into this, mister.
They're coming from the front now.
Thanks.
They know where we're headed, that's for sure. They're on each side again.
Things I do for the army.
Look up ahead!
There's too many!
Seems like they want to surround us.
Can't you go any faster?
More coming from the rear.
Thanks.
Looks like one last ambush.
This looks like the end.
Wow, that was awesome. I think you nearly got them all.
Sorry I got you into this, mister.
Don't give up! There goes my last chance.
Just keep driving. Too many! This looks like the end.
Like one last ambush. Wow, that was awesome! I think you nearly got them all! Brimstone's just about a mile or so down that way. Oh, sorry I can't take you any closer, but there's some desperate folks in need of these supplies.
Much obliged, mister. I'll make sure to tell the governor you helped me. There may even be a reward in it for
If
you.
it's all the same to you, I'd just assume that Governor Griffin don't even know who I am. Good luck to you, soldier.
Governor, you gotta call General Bowden right away, sir.
Who let you in here, soldier?
There's a renegade general on your territory. His name is Diego. He's running a gold mine, and he's using slave labor. It's a job only the U.S. Army can handle, sir. He has an army, and a fort, too.
Well, thank you, soldier. Mr. Diego is one of my biggest contributors. I'm sure this is all a simple misunderstanding. But Mr. Kelly here, he's gonna take good care of you.